Hello traders and welcome back to another great video. Today I'm gonna show you our leading MACD indicator, which is designed to anticipate future price action. And the idea of a leading indicator is that traders can get in before the price move happens and ride the entire move. And this leading MACD indicator takes all advantages from the traditional MACD and converts it into a fast-moving oscillator that provides you with real-time insights about potential future price moves. So this indicator looks ahead and helps traders to prepare for a potential move. And that is the base idea with this indicator. This leading MACD indicator contains a nice and a cool feature within its histogram. The histogram is designed to be predictive and to react quickly to price changes. And we can see that the histogram actually shifts color quite early on, even though the MACD lines not have crossed yet. And this gives us heads up about a potential MACD cross even before the MACD cross happens, right? And this feature helps us to understand that a MACD cross is likely to happen and a bullish move in this case is likely. So this feature is really powerful and help us traders to plan for our next trade. And if you want, you can go in, you can disable this feature within the setting panel. You just disable the leading MACD histogram and you will get the original color based on the MACD lines. And so we can clearly see how powerful this predictive leading histogram is, which can help traders to understand the next move. The strength in this indicator is that we can get great heads up before the move is happening. And in this case, we can see that the market is going down. However, our leading MACD indicator is increasing heavily. And this is a sign that the market may reverse and go bullish. So, and we can also see that the predictive histogram actually turns green in this point. And we got the bullish or a MACD cross in this point. And we are in this area, right? So this is an area of interest where we can start to look for a potential long trade based on the leading MACD, right? We have everything in place. The histogram is turning green. We have a MACD cross and the leading MACD is steadily increasing. And boom, we can look for our long entry in this area. We take another example. We can see that the market is going down, right? And the predictive histogram is turning green. We are in this point, this area. And we get the MACD cross. Boom. And we are in this area, right? So we have plenty of time to start looking for a long entry in this area based on the insights from the leading MACD, right? And boom, up it goes. So yeah, we can take this short example. We can see that the price is going up. The leading MACD is going down. We get the red histogram quite early on in this area. And we get the MACD cross right there. We are in this area and we had plenty of time to start looking for a short entry within this area. And boom, down it goes. So use this indicator to plan for the next trades and you have all you need to understand the next market move. The setting panel is straightforward. And the most important setting is the leading length, which is basically how fast or how leading the calculation should be. A low value makes the MACD more quicker and faster, short term, and a high value makes it more long term and more trend following in nature, right? And we have this enable fast leading MACD, which basically makes the predictive histogram even faster. And you have the standard MACD settings, and you can disable and enable the predictive MACD color on the histogram, right? So yeah, all you have to do is to play around with the leading length, and you can actually leave the MACD settings to default. If you want it quicker, you can decrease the length. If you want it slower, you can increase the length. You can access this amazing premium leading MACD indicator for free. All you have to do is to go to our TradingView profile. I leave the link in the description. Go to scripts and scroll down until you see the leading MACD Expo. Just hit add to favorites and boom, there you go. Now the script is loaded into your indicator list under favorites, and you can use it freely. And I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you're gonna find this indicator useful. Please subscribe to the channel, follow us, and see you next time.